So my name's Josh Childers, and I'm a solutions architect here at Rego. Been with Rego Consulting for a little over 11 years. And typically what I do is I meet with new clients and we work on, deploying Clarity in their environment, making sure that it meets their needs, that their business process aligns, that the tool aligns to their business process and their business process is optimized. I'm really excited for Rego U this year, getting to see all of our clients. I attend Rego U every year and I see so many clients and many that I don't work directly with, but I have some kind of indirect contact with, or that I just see every year at Rego U. That aside, we have a really exciting kind of refreshed program this year. So there's a lot of just really interesting courses and classes going on. A big focus from last year. AI is a big focus, and there's a lot of that this year. There was last year as well. From a learning standpoint, right? That's what I'm excited for this year, and hoping to see that we get a lot of clients taking that away, right, and implementing that and thinking about how this can benefit them in their environment and make them more successful. So, what I'm really expecting and hoping for is that in most of my sessions, we're connecting on this is my day-to-day job, and how can I be better, right? How can I be more effective and more efficient? And how can the tool support that? Again, it's really about making sure that Clarity is supporting us, not inhibiting us, making sure that it supports our business practice. How can it make my job easier, not make it harder, and looking at solutions in the application to do that. Really think the trends that we're going to see are continuing to, identify and define the value, the work that we're doing, making sure again that we have the right people working on the right things, we're starting to get some real focus on resource plan. So that's where I think we're really going to see change in the immediate future, the next year or two, or where we're going to see focus in the next year or two, is really just continuing to push into that, that alignment. Based on what I have today, how can I get the base bang for my buck? That's what we're seeing a lot of our clients ask for, and we've got a lot of focus around at Rego U this year. There's a lot of focus around AI this year. So one of those conversations I'd like to have is how is that working for them, both inside Clarity and outside Clarity? And that's been a big conversation I've had with my direct clients is, where does AI apply in the rest of your environment to your other tools and your other business process? The other thing I really like to talk about clients, talk about clients with, that I'm very excited for, is how are they taking advantage of the new features and new functionality? How are they getting that implemented in their system? What are they excited for? That's the other thing I'm excited about, is to kind of see, where the tool's headed, and then what our clients are excited about.